All right, guys, check this out. You're looking at a custom fitted Fang grill set. This has the diamond dust finish right there. You can see that sparkling in the sun, and it has the white border around it. It is solid 925 sterling silver. Beautiful handmade Fang set, guys. This is handmade. Quality work, top and bottom set. You can get this on our website, blingcartel.com. Now these particular ones have the hidden back bar in the back. If you flip them around, you can see those back bars connecting the two fangs together. Okay, and this is available once again on our website, blingcartel.com. Beautiful diamond dust 925 sterling silver custom grills. Check it out, guys. blingcartel.com. Thank you for watching. As always, y'all have a good one.